Hi there, this is our 16-lane counting bottling machine. It can come heavily, capsule, gummy into bottles or bags. 3 vibration structure, fully separating materials. High precision counting rate is 99.7%. Patented blanking design, no damage to materials. Pneumatic bottling output increased 30%. Mass output 70 bottles per minute. Fully meets CE, CGMP, USA and EU standards. Whatever you want to count, our machine can handle it. We also provide the whole counting bottling line. Counting bottling machine can take rich packing.